At every restaurant, it's anywhere from 12 to 16 courses per day. That adds up doing 60 people a day, 700 plus dishes. So having modern equipment really makes execution of everything possible. It allows us to multitask to get the flavors we want. It allows us to make every single guest feel the love and the care that goes into every dish. So for this canapé, I'm using the control freak and the probe to fry the salsify at 345 degrees. That way, I know that the oil is at a consistent temperature all the time. I don't have to worry about the salsify burning at all. And we actually found out at that temperature that it caramelizes sugar just enough and the starches to where you want it to be. At the restaurant, we don't have any large fryers. We do everything in small batch frying, and we use the control freak to make sure that we get the best product every single time. I vacuum seal the salsify and a little bit of half and half inside the Henkelman vacuum seal machine on the liquid setting. I like using this setting because the sensors inside the machine actually monitor the boiling point. That way I know that the bag will never blow out and make a mess inside the machine. And everyone's busy in the kitchen, so the last thing you want to do is spend 15 minutes of your day cleaning up something that could have been saved in 5 seconds. I cook the salsify puree sous vide inside the rationale because I feel it's a great time saver and also a great space saver. Okay, I have one bag I want to do. I don't want to bust out a giant water bath, set all these things up. So by using the steam function on the rationale, I'm able to cook multiple bags at the same time and do everything I need to do all at once. So I could put 50 bags of the salsify puree if I need to and cook it all together. This gives me the flexibility to do multiple things at once and multitask and know that the puree is going to be fine inside the oven. Once the salsify is cooked, I'll then puree it and put it in some molds. Then I'll blast chill it inside of the Inox blast chiller to get the perfect temperature and texture I want for this dish. If I was to put this in a traditional freezer, it would take hours for this to freeze, and it would not give me the right consistency by having ice crystals form. By doing it inside of the Inox blast chiller, it gives me the great texture, and it's literally done in 5 minutes. Having all this equipment at my disposal really makes all the dishes on the menu come together and execute the way you want them to.